Okay, I'm in my noisy chair that creaks and squeaks as I move around, and I'm using the Bloggy, just what I told you I wouldn't do. So I'm going to be annoying one more night. Let me pull this white piece of paper into here. The reason I'm doing this is to show you that Craftwell has come up with, in their tips and tricks page on their website, a way to cut thin paper like this. I'm going to first try to cut it. I've got a pressure setting of 2, and I'm going to first try to cut this tree without a backup. And as you can see, let me stop it. Lift this up. As you can see, that failed. Well, what Craftwell says we can do is to use a cardboard backing. Cardstock backing, and this is just cardstock from Staples, and put that into the machine with the paper over top of it. I've got a setting of 2 because I don't want to cut clear through the cardstock. I just want to cut through the white paper. And I'm going to go over here and select my tree again. Alright, I'm going to take it down to a size of 3. Let's be fair about this. And we're going to go ahead and cut. Alright, now we're cutting. Notice that I am not failing now. And it tried to lift it up a little bit, but it continued to cut. Alright, I'm going to bring it out, take it apart, and show you that it did in fact cut. As you can see, the cut has been made and the part is clean. I can pull this apart here. So by just using that backing, that's going to help immensely when we work with these real thin and fine parts. Now I have it set to the highest setting on tabs. So that's why it's taken me a little bit of effort to get it out here. We could experiment with the tabs and see if we really need them. But for the purposes of what we were doing here, we definitely needed it. Look at that. We actually got it done. So that's a good tip and trick. You can cut thin paper, but you need a backing. I think that there's some other things that we can do to make it even more stabilized, and I'll work on that tomorrow or the next day as I get time. Thank you very much. I hope this helped. Bye.